Hello friends, welcome on ProTips for Coding YouTube channel. Today, we are going to start learning Python 5-minute series. So today we need some things to write clean code. So we are going to install first Visual Studio and then Python version. Go type Visual Studio on your browser and click this site. I have already downloaded. You choose according your device. It is Windows, Mac, or Linux. Then we have to download Python version. Or so we have to go on python.org. Then click this website. You will see all Windows Python version. Download latest one according your device. I have downloaded it. To check out our Python version is install or not properly, we have to type in cmd python-VV here. You can see this, our Python version is installed properly. Now, I am creating separate folder to write Python programming, and that helps us in organizing a lot. If you're starting, you can also make folder like that. Now right-click that file and go to More section, then click Visual Studio. Now, click this, give it name. I am giving first.py. Because it is our first Python program, friends, I will tell all the basic in a Python next video. Now, we only check our coding environment works properly or not. In Python programming, we use print statement inside. We have to give double quotes or single quotes. This will print any our statement that we write inside that block. Print is basically built in function in Python version already. We later study about what is in built function. Now we have to only check our coding environment works properly or not. You can see our code runs successfully and print hello world. Now in next video, we start learning Python.